Amazon Kinesis Overview. Amazon Kinesis makes it easy to collect, process, and analyze real-time streaming data, so you can get timely insights and react quickly to new information. Amazon Kinesis offers key capabilities to cost-effectively process streaming data at any scale, along with the flexibility to choose the tools that best suit the requirements of your application. With Amazon Kinesis, you can ingest real-time data such as video, audio, application logs, website clickstreams, and IoT telemetry data for machine learning, analytics, and other applications. Amazon Kinesis enables you to process and analyze data as it arrives and respond instantly, instead of having to wait until all your data is collected before the processing can begin. Amazon Kinesis is comprised of 4 distinct services that address numerous use cases for data processing. For video, Amazon Kinesis Video Streams makes it easy to securely stream video from connected devices to AWS for analytics, machine learning, and other processing. Amazon Kinesis Data Streams is a scalable and durable real-time data streaming service that can continuously capture gigabytes of data per second from hundreds of thousands of sources. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose is the easiest way to capture, transform, and load data streams into AWS data stores for near real-time analytics with existing business intelligence tools. And Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics is the easiest way to process data streams in real time with SQL or Java, without having to learn new programming languages or processing frameworks. Now, let's take a look at a specific use case, using Amazon Kinesis Analytics, to further demonstrate its capabilities. To gain insights on user activity for a website, clickstream data can be sent to Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose, which collects the data and sends it to Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics. From there, Kinesis Data Analytics will process the clickstream data in real time. Next, the processed data can be transferred quickly using Kinesis Data Firehose directly into Amazon Redshift, where analytics models can run and suggest website content recommendations. As a result, website users will gain more personalized content suggestions.